Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the unboxing of the new iPad, which is black color. As we see more details. This is 32 gigabytes. So let's get started. Hola, this is the new iPad. It's very nice, as we can see. Of course we can know if this is the new iPad or not by the charger place. Anyway, this we put aside. And this is the charger. They did a very good job in creating it. Oh, and this is the cable, and this is the more details about how to use the iPad, and of course the stickers. And here is the iPad. This is very nice, as we can see. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a nice day. Bye.